Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tushar, and welcome back to AI Gadget Prodigy. Drones have gone from cool gadgets to powerful tools, and today we're diving into the future, AI-powered drones. We're talking super smart machines that can deliver packages, assist in emergencies, and even revolutionize farming. It's a game changer, so if you're as fascinated by the future of tech as I am, hit that like button and let's get right into it. Alright, so we all know drones can fly, but AI is giving them the power to think, and I don't just mean pre-programmed flight paths. Think about it. Companies like Amazon are already using AI-powered drones for delivery. These drones aren't just following a set route, they're analyzing data in real time, finding the most efficient path, dodging obstacles, and even learning from each flight. Imagine this. You order a pizza, but instead of a delivery driver, a drone shows up at your doorstep with your order, piping hot and right on time. That's the kind of convenience AI is bringing to the table. No more traffic jams, no more getting lost, just precise, efficient delivery. And this is just the beginning. AI is constantly evolving, which means these drones are only going to get smarter and more capable. We're talking about a future where drone deliveries are faster, cheaper, and way more reliable than traditional methods. Now let's talk about something even more impactful: saving lives. AI-powered drones are becoming essential tools for first responders, especially in emergency situations. Think natural disasters, floods, earthquakes, where every second counts. These drones act as eyes in the sky, equipped with AI that can analyze disaster zones in real time. We're talking thermal imaging to locate survivors, AI that can map out safe paths for rescue teams, even drones that can deliver essential supplies like food, water, and medicine to those in need. Imagine a scenario where a drone, equipped with AI and thermal imaging, scans a flooded area and detects a person stranded on a rooftop. The drone immediately relays the exact location to rescue teams, potentially saving a life. That's the power of AI in action. And it's not just about speed, it's about precision and efficiency. These drones can access areas that might be too dangerous or difficult for humans to reach, providing crucial support in those critical moments. Chapter 3. The AI-powered farm. Okay, so we've seen AI drones delivering packages and saving lives, but what about something closer to, well, the ground? Agriculture. Yeah, AI-powered drones are transforming the way we grow food. Forget tractors and manual labor. These drones are equipped with sensors and AI that can analyze everything about a farm. We're talking soil health monitoring, identifying pests and diseases early on, even precisely delivering fertilizers and pesticides only where they're needed. Think about it. This is huge for farmers. It means increased efficiency, reduced costs, and a lower environmental impact. No more wasting resources, no more blanket spraying of chemicals, just smart, targeted farming practices. And it gets even cooler. Some AI-powered drones are being used to plant seeds with incredible speed and accuracy. These drones use AI to analyze the soil and plant each seed at the optimal depth, leading to faster germination and healthier crops. Chapter 4. Guardians in the Sky. Let's be real, security is a big deal, and AI-powered drones are stepping up their game in a big way. We're talking about next-level surveillance and security applications. Imagine this. AI-powered drones patrolling large areas like airports, factories, even borders. These drones aren't just recording video, they're actively analyzing it in real time. We're talking facial recognition, anomaly detection, the works. Let's say there's an intruder trying to breach a secure facility. An AI-powered drone could detect the unusual activity, track the intruder's movements, and send real-time alerts to security personnel. And the best part? These drones don't need brakes. They can operate 24/7, providing constant surveillance and increasing the effectiveness of security measures. It's like having an extra set of eyes, but way more intelligent and efficient. Chapter 5. Flying cars closer than you think. Alright, let's talk about the future, the really exciting future: flying cars. You might think it's science fiction, but AI-powered drones are paving the way for this technology to become a reality. Companies like Tesla and Uber are already heavily invested in developing AI-powered air taxis. These vehicles will rely heavily on the advancements made in drone technology, especially in areas like autonomous flight and obstacle avoidance. Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic, but instead of sitting there frustrated, you hail an air taxi. The AI plots the fastest route, you bypass all the congestion, and arrive at your destination in a fraction of the time. That's the promise of this technology. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome. but the progress we're seeing is incredible. AI-powered drones are proving that autonomous flight is possible, and it's only a matter of time before we see this technology transforming the way we commute and travel. Outro, the future is flying high. So there you have it, the incredible world of AI-powered drones. From delivering packages to revolutionizing industries, these drones are changing the game. We're talking faster deliveries, smarter farming, enhanced security, and even the potential for flying cars in the future. It's clear that AI-powered drones are set to play a major role in shaping our world. Which use of AI drones are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to AI Gadget Prodigy for more awesome tech content just like this. I'm Tushar, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.